I've got 4 side hustles that no one is talking about that you can begin doing today to make over $15,000 a month with little to no skill. All you have to do is choose one of these skills and execute. The last one is my personal favorite and I think is the biggest opportunity, so I wouldn't skip it. So first off, we've got online event planner for virtual and hybrid events. Now I know what you're thinking. Event planning, it's not new. But hang on a second. This isn't your typical in-person wedding or birthday party planning. With the rise of remote work and global connectivity, companies are moving towards virtual and hybrid events more than ever before. Think of things like corporate conferences, product launches, webinars, online workshops, and even global summits. These aren't your mom and pop store meetings. These are huge events with thousands of attendees, and the companies hosting them are looking for someone to make sure everything runs smoothly. Someone like you. So how do you get started? Well, it's actually easier than you might think. First, you'll want to get familiar with platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or more specialized event platforms like Hopin or Airmeet. Once you know how to use these tools inside and out, you can start offering your services as an online event planner. This can be anything from organizing guest speakers and managing attendees to making sure the tech works during the event. It's all about creating an experience that is seamless and professional. And here's the thing, the demand is skyrocketing. Businesses, especially in finance and education, have realized how much cheaper and more scalable virtual events are compared to in-person events. Plus, they can reach a global audience without the hassle of travel, venue cost, and logistics. If you step in as a go-to person for these companies, you'll be racking in bucks just by managing their virtual events from the comfort of your own home. Now let's talk about money. A good online event planner can charge anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 per event, depending on the size and complexity. And if you're organizing multiple events a month, you can easily hit $15,000 to $25,000 a month, all from your laptop. Take Sarah Powell, for example. She started out organizing small virtual conferences for tech startups, and now she's making over $20,000 a month managing events for major companies. The opportunities here are endless. Now let's talk about getting clients. You start by offering your services on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. But to really attract high-paying clients, networking is key. Reach out to small businesses and startups through LinkedIn or connect with event agencies that specializes in corporate events. Another great strategy, build a portfolio, host your own small virtual events to show your skills, or offer free or discounted services for your first couple of clients to build testimonials. But that's just the first one. The next one can make you $12,000 a month. Digital decluttering coach. Now you've probably heard of physical declustering, cleaning up your home, organizing your workspace, think Mario Kondo style. But have you ever thought about digital declustering? Let's be real for a second. How many of us have clustered desktops, unread emails piling up in thousands, and Google Drives that are an absolute mess? It's overwhelming, and that's where you come in. As a digital declustering coach, your job is to help people organize their digital lives. That means cleaning up their files, sorting through their emails, automating their workflows, and making sure they never lose important documents again. You can start by offering one-on-one coaching sessions where you work directly with clients to clean up their digital messes. Or you can create a course or ebook that teaches people how to decluster their own. You can also sell templates for organizing files and emails. There's a lot of potential here. Why is this side hustle such a gold mine? Well, the remote work revolution has left millions of professionals buried under mountains of digital cluster, and they don't have the time or expertise to manage it themselves. As a digital declustering coach, you stepped in to save the day. You are not just offering organization, you are giving people peace of mind and the productivity boost they desperately need. So what is the earning potential here? Digital declustering coaches can charge anywhere between $100 to $200 an hour, and if you package your services into a course or coaching program, you can easily hit $12,000 a month or more. For example, Jessica Ziegler started offering digital declustering services to busy executives and now makes over $15,000 a month managing their digital spaces. The market for this is wide open, and now is the perfect time to get started. To find clients, start by offering free consultations to busy professionals and small business owners. Places like LinkedIn, Facebook groups are great places to find them. Once you get a few testimonials, you can leverage social media by posting before and after photos of declustered desktops and inboxes. You could even offer a free decluttering webinar to attract potential clients. Now, before we get into my last and favorite side hustle, we need to talk about this opportunity that I've not seen anyone else talk about. Alright, next up is AI-powered writing assistant. We've all seen the rise of AI writing tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Copy.ai, right? Well, here's the thing. While these tools can churn out a lot of content quickly, they still need a human touch. That's where you come in. As an AI-powered writing assistant, your job is to take content generated by AI and polish it up. You'll fix errors, add unique voice, ensure the tone fits the client's needs, and make sure the content is accurate and engaging. This is perfect for blogs, email newsletters, social media captions, and more. AI tools can write, but they lack the creativity and nuance that humans bring to the table, which is where you will stand out. The opportunity here is massive. Companies need high-quality content, but they also want it fast. By using AI tools, you can crank out content at lightning speed, but your value lies in being able to fine-tune that content to make it truly great. Now let's talk about how to make money here. AI-powered writing assistants can charge anywhere from $50 to $200 an hour depending on the project. And because AI does a lot of the heavy lifting, you can take on multiple clients and scale your income fast. Take Mr. Mark Thompson, for example. He started offering AI-assisted writing services to small businesses and is now making over $18,000 per month. The demand is growing and AI tools are only getting better, which means more opportunities for you. When it comes to getting clients, freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are a great starting point. But to really stand out, consider reaching out to marketing agencies that handle a lot of content creation. They will be thrilled to have someone who can speed up their workflow using AI. Content marketing groups on LinkedIn or Facebook are also excellent places to network and find clients. So here's what I think is the biggest opportunity for 2025. And finally, let's talk about my personal favorite, podcast show writer. Podcasts are exploding in popularity with millions of new shows being launched every year. But here's the thing, not every podcaster is a great writer. As a podcast show writer, your job is to help podcast hosts craft their episodes. You will help with outlining, scripting, and even writing show notes that hosts can refer to while they record. Some podcasters might need help writing intros, outros, or even ad copy for their sponsors. Your job is to make the host's life easier by handling all the writing tasks so they can focus on the actual recording. With the rise of podcasting, especially in niches like business, wellness, and true crime, the demand for writers who understand the podcast format is growing fast. Podcasters are looking for someone who can save them time and make their shows sound more professional. You can charge podcasters anywhere from $200 to $1,000 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. And with the average podcaster releasing weekly episodes, you can stack multiple clients and easily make over $15,000 a month. For example, Katie Johnson started out writing show notes for a couple of podcasts and now makes over $20,000 a month working with high-profile clients in the tech and wellness space. To find clients, start by reaching out to new podcasters or those with small audience who need help with consistency. You can connect with them on Instagram or Twitter, where a lot of podcasters engage with their audience. Offering a free episode outline as a sample can go a long way improving your value and securing long-term clients. You can also join podcasting communities on Facebook or Reddit and let people know about your services. Now, to make all of these side hustles even easier, you need to use the 10 business tools I shared in this video that will make your life 100 times easier. And don't forget to download my free ebook where I share more passive income ideas. The link is in the description below. I will see you in the next video.